Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to elevate your zines with alternative binding techniques, specifically options beyond standard stapling that enhance durability and add a handmade touch to your work. Let's start with what you probably already know, the classic spine-stapled zine. It's quick, easy, and accessible, but it has a few drawbacks. Over time, staples can tear through paper, cause staining, and even rust. In humid or fluctuating environments, rust can spread, discolor, and compromise your zine's integrity. If stapling is your go-to, we highly recommend switching to stainless steel staples. These are rust-resistant even in the harshest conditions and offer a longer-lasting solution. However, if you're ready to explore a more artistic and archival-friendly option, let's look at a pamphlet stitch. It's a simple sewing technique that only requires a needle and a thread. For larger batches, an awl guide can help speed up the process, but for individual projects, all you need is a ruler and an awl. Begin by marking and punching 3 holes along the spine using your awl, 1 in the center and 2 about a centimeter or so in from each end. Then measure out roughly 4 to 5 times the height of your zine in thread. We're using a lightly polished Irish linen thread. It's strong, smooth, and holds a knot beautifully. As we thread our needle, notice how we've chosen a needle with an eye that corresponds to the gauge of the thread. You'll want to begin by sewing from the inside of the zine out through the center hole, leaving a couple inches of tail inside. Next, enter through the hole to the right. Pull gently to tighten. Skip the center hole and exit through the hole on the left. Again, pull snug. Finish by re-entering through the center hole. Pull everything tight without warping the paper and tie off the thread using the tail you left earlier. Trim any excess, and you're done. A clean, handcrafted binding that's functional, beautiful, and built to last. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more ways to elevate your zine.